start there and work through. Some of them are getting quite big, some of them have got pods on already, but we're probably not at the stage of having to collect all the pods up. So we're still pick and drop.
Do you know what lupins are?
Yeah, they're weeds.
Yeah, what do they look like?
They have purple flowers and they have
What's the leaves like?
dark green.
Dark green leaves, and they got lots of fingers, those sort of leaves. And what do? They make a great big shade so our plants can't grow, isn't it? That's what's one of the most important things. And then they put very rich things in the soil through their roots. They're called nitrogen nodules to take it from the air. Well, in certain places, nitrogen is good. In Australia, it's had to learn to do without them because these wretched things came in from overseas, these lupins. So they put their richness in the soil. Don't like that. So we get them, pull them out, get rid of a lot of them. So even removing one plant in the middle of a clean area is as important as fishing lots of others. That's why we're so keen for people to help us. And it's good. It's been very good. And young people and older people, and some very old people, all have a go at getting lupins. Okay, if you like to go, as I say, up through there, go along and look around here. There's people picking. Look, if you go in anywhere and you can find some lupins there, don't be disappointed if you don't get too many. But every one you find, or every area you can say, we didn't find any here. We know, right, we recorded on our things. We've got far more detail now, and we say we're not going to that area until we finish this year, and then we'll see if there's any, just one or two, and get them.
I came round a couple of months ago and GPS'd every patch of lupins in my area here. And that means not only can we map them when we get back to the centre there to know where to send people, but it also means when we're out here actually pulling the lupins, I can have the GPS here and find where the next patch is. So if we look around this bit, so gee, there's not many here, can look on here and see there's a gap in the lupins, and they start again about 10 metres further in. Yeah, so we're basically right on the corner of them now, so they go both directions and through. About to where the Banksia is over there is about the edge. Lupin pulls have been going on for about 32 years now, and back when they were started, the whole of this area here was covered in lupins, probably up about 1 metre high, and just like a farmer's prize field of lupins. And over those years we've got it down to the point where they're reasonably scattered, but you've only got to leave one behind and it'll seed in and start spreading again. Without community help over all these years, we'd never have managed it. And it's one of the easy things for the community to get involved with to take them out. We know there's no danger in a lupin, whereas if we get them pulling carnation weed, then there's all sorts of problems with the chemicals in the sap. So maybe one day when we've got rid of those, we can have them through pulling out the gladiolus and things like that. But at the moment, lupins are a priority, and we are winning. So it's taken 32 years, but we'll get there in the end.